Students are requested to join from their official email ID, college email ID. Otherwise, I have to remove you from this meeting. So, Krunal, Meenakshi, Parth, Ruchi, Sapan, and Shweta, please join from your college email ID.
Ma'am, it
Yes.
is it is college email ID from Sweta, Parth, and Ruchi. Our
Yes,
name is
ma'am.
according to like this.
Okay.
Uh, Hello,
So,
ma'am.
you should, yes.
Yes, I am Kunal from Tectona. We are joining from the company.
Okay.
Kunal, Sapan, Meenakshi, we are from Tectonas.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I
Yeah.
thought there are students from other institutes also.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
I thought,
No, no,
yes.
no, no, it's okay.
Good morning, Rajesh, sir. Uh, your voice is not audible.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, First, I would like to apologize for being late today. I was stuck somewhere else. Um, that's why I requested the meeting to start at 11:30. I have also asked Meenakshi Vasawa, Krunal Vaderia, and Sapan Shah to join this meeting.
Yes, yes, they have joined.
So they have joined. So, um, basically, we have a PowerPoint presentation which I had forwarded to you, Professor Desai. You can pass it on to the students.
Okay.
But uh, basically, I'll give you a little introduction about Ekashi. So we used to see and people coming out of engineering colleges have to be trained a lot for the specific industry requirements. Second thing is that the industry is bleeding because we don't have designs that we can use to fast forward prototyping. And third is students should be able to like demonstrate what they have done in their academic curriculum. My background in the academic side is I was a teaching assistant and a research assistant in some university abroad. And I learned one thing is that professors would, give out course curriculum as homeworks every semester so that students ended up building a small component. Some of the projects that have actually become very very successful is like the RISC-V architecture, which even our Shakti processor is going to use. That came out of Berkeley. So my goal with Ekashi is very simple. There are certain immediate needs in the industry. Ekashi's responsibility would be to train you people on that technology. I will use that word. Um, and we are planning to do it free of cost. Second thing is we want to, do this training more like a hobby rather than, like a forced course curriculum. So we believe that the students should learn at their own pace and they should become experts at, their in that particular area. And And the third area that we are definitely looking is whatever the students develop should result in some sort of an open source uh, library, design, etc., which is available to Indian universities and Indian companies free of cost. Where I'm coming from this is that I was working with a bunch of Israeli companies. I was working with some German companies. So in Israel, what happens is if you want to do any sort of new development, you don't start development yourself. You go to some organization like the Weizmann Institute, which is the repository of open source designs. And that Israeli company ended up only have to develop around 5% of the hardware and only about 10% of the software to, come into the market. So that is something that I want to foster, especially in the Ahmedabad, Baroda area. There's a lot of innovation happening, but everybody is reinventing the wheel from day one there. The second thing that, of course, is we are structuring Ekarshi like Mozilla Foundation. So whenever a student contributes to anything that is open source, we will, put it on the website so that for the future also, the student has a point of reference to show what they have done. So this is basically the entire gamut of things. Now, I can leave it up to you guys to ask your questions about specifics, how we are going about it. You can start now. Professor Desai, I would suggest you start off. So that way, the others could follow your lead.
So I think students might be having some doubts related to the internship. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask sir. Sir is available with us. So Rushit, Kshitij, Man, if you have any kind of doubt, please ask. Yes sir, yes sir.
તમે ગુજરાતીમાં વાત કરવી હોય તો ગુજરાતીમાં વાત કરો, તમે હિન્દીમાં વાત કરવી હોય તો વાત કરી શકો. ચાઇનીઝ અને
We are comfortable in any language.
જર્મનમાં વાત કરવી તો કરી શકો, પણ મને ચાઇનીઝ ને જર્મન નથી.
Okay sir. I will talk in Hindi and English.
So ask them, please go ahead ask.
Yes. So if
No problem, madam.
yes.
मैं तो किसी गुजराती
हाँ है तो गुजराती but I am more comfortable in Hindi.
नहीं, I know that you told me. એટલે
Yes sir.
મારે ગુજરાતી હિન્દી કે ઇંગ્લિશમાં કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી.
Yes sir. So yes, any doubts from students? I hope you all know that for this internship you should stay up to 7 SEM. It is good for you only. You will learn a lot of things in this industry, in this organization. So if you have any kind of doubt regarding this, then you can ask. Okay.
One thing, Professor Desai. So
Yes.
Hitachi is like a Section 8 company. It's a non-profit organization.
Yeah. Okay.
एक वस्तु हमारी the commercial company that I'm running is Tectona.
Yes. Yes.
But what we are doing with Ekarshi is also with means in and around Ahmedabad and Baroda and that zone. અને ગોલ શું છે કે કોઈ સ્ટુડન્ટ એક પર્ટિક્યુલર પોઈન્ટ ઉપર આવી જાય and they are like, okay, I'm done with learning now and I don't want to design anything new. I want some sort of an informal or / formal informal industrial experience and be placed into the industrial arena. We can arrange that also. So let us say તમારે ખાલી ડિઝાઇનમાં જવું છે તો there is a company called Entronic. You can go with those guys. There are power companies. So તમારે industry hands on જોઈએ we will arrange that. And again, this is all free, okay? If you go to an industry, you have to negotiate your own quote unquote salary with them. You have to understand one thing: as a non-profit organization, we are very clear. We cannot, have profit on your activity at another industry. Sort of understood, Professor Desai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
My ख्याल ideally what we can do is we can bring one student at a time and ask them if they have any questions.
Yeah, yes.
And that will be the best way. Somebody is waiting for somebody to ask a question.
Yes. So I think Rushit had a question. So Rushit, can you ask your doubt?
Yes, sir. I have read your mail. Like Ikarshi is like working in two projects. One is like self-driving something, and another is like something. So I don't know what is like how we are going to do that, and like what the modules we are going to take,
Okay.
and which language also,
So let us take,
which language we are performing.
okay. So let us take the Mamamoko thing. Okay. So that is basically you are going to build modules that will be used by autonomous vehicles. Okay. Now these autonomous vehicles can be underwater vehicles, it can be drones, it can be cars, but what we are doing is our focus area is going to be the modules, motor controls, communication, control optimization, and sensor fusion. So the language that you will be using to deliver any sort of embedded real-time system or soft real-time system will be C. Okay. And the way this, let's say you get into the Mamamoko kind of a thing, then our first, step will be to teach you people C so that you can do industrial level C coding. Then the next step is to take you to something like Arduino, where you will learn the basics of control and microcontrols. And once you have done these two things, we will take you onto something like an industrial microcontroller like a SAM, D21, etc. And once you have finished that, you will be given certain modules to program. There'll be test jigs, you'll program, come and test your various things. So again, we are talking of small components that can be built, open sourced, and given to the industry. That is the basic goal of this project. Now, if you look at the other project, which is an open library project, we have need for a lot of libraries. It can be in the area of DSP, computer vision, let's say language processing. So the goal in India that is that we train you onto a language that you can use to actually write these modules, which could be Julia, it could be Erlang, it could be C++. And then you people start building small libraries like DSP libraries, which are open sourced, something like GitHub, but not as open as GitHub, and available to Indian companies to download, compile, and use. Okay.
Hello, sir. Sir, this Mamamoko project is mainly